Hi everyone, welcome back again to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today we are making goat's meat and catfish pepper soup, and I will be enjoying this soup with my fufu. As the tradition demands, I can't prepare this delicious soup without eating it with fufu. To my new and old foodie members, I say akwaba to you all. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. So now let's get started. So to start with this soup recipe, I'll begin by cooking my vegetables. And so for the vegetables, I have some green and red pepper. You can use any amount of pepper that you want, okay? I'll also go in with some fresh tomatoes, carrots. Next, I'll go in with some garden eggs and 1 onion. You can use any vegetable at all of your choice as well, okay? Cover it and allow it to cook on low medium heat until it is soft enough for us to blend. Moving forward, I have my nicely washed goat meat right here. I'll add it to my cooking pots, and I'll also go in with a little bit of liver. You can omit this if you don't want it, okay? Next, I'll go in with some seasoning, and for seasoning, I'm going to be using some fish seasoning powder and goat's meat seasoning powder. To that, I'll also add in some blended garlic and ginger paste. I'll also go in with some chopped onions. Next, I'll go in with some salt to taste and a little bit of water to steam the meat very well, okay? I almost forgot to add in some tomato paste because I already added in some fresh tomatoes. So if you don't want it, you can just omit it totally, okay? Cover it and allow it to steam very well. And we are back to check on our vegetables, and it's looking all good and very soft now. So I'll just turn off the flame and blend until it's very smooth. Then I'll add it to my soup base, okay? If you are still with me at this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back to check on the soup base, and it's doing all perfect and very thick now. So next, I'll go in with my blended vegetables. Next, I will also go in with some dry fish as well. You can use any dry fish of your choice. This is catfish that I'm using, okay? I will also go in with some small fish, which is normally called apatre in Ghana. You can as well use any fish at all of your choice, okay? After that, you just have to cook this on low medium heat for about 30 to 45 minutes until it is nice and ready, just like this. Light soup is very easy to prepare, and the outcome, you are going to love it. Kindly try this recipe and thank me later. So now all that is left is for us to serve and enjoy ourselves. Let me know in the comment section what you're going to pair with this light soup. Is it with banku, some plain rice, and pesi? Just let me know in the comment section, and I will be waiting for you to read all your beautiful comments down below, okay? Now, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And if you watch this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.